Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate MobiMatter eSIM. When you activate your eSIM, your phone may automatically label it. This can lead to confusion, as you might not know which label corresponds to your eSIM, or you may end up with two eSIMs labeled the same way. To avoid this, we recommend labeling your eSIM with its order number. This way you will know exactly which eSIM you are looking at, and you will have easy access to the order number for checking your usage and referring back to the eSIM in the app. You can also include the name of the location it is for and the amount of data in your plans. To label your eSIM, go to Settings and select Cellular. Click on the eSIM you want to label, then choose Cellular Plan Label and Customize. Please note that installing the eSIM will activate it, so do this only when you are ready to use it. They recommend installing it 1 or 2 days before traveling to your destination. To activate your eSIM, you will need an eSIM-capable phone. The eSIM QR code received via email or through the MobiMatter app and a stable Wi-Fi connection. It is best to avoid satellite connections found on ships or airplanes and free Wi-Fi networks in airports or cafes, as these may not work properly. To install your eSIM, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, and select Add an eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. Choose QR code and scan the QR code provided to you. After scanning, click on Activate eSIM. Please note that this process may take a few minutes. Once your eSIM is added, find the newly added eSIM in your list. If you have multiple eSIMs, it will likely be the last one listed. In the example below, it is labeled as Business. Click on it and enable data roaming. Next, click on Cellular Plan Label to set a custom label for the plan and enter your order number. Finally, go to Settings. Select Cellular or Mobile Data. Click on Cellular or Mobile Data at the top of the screen and choose the eSIM you would like to use as you named it in the previous steps. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.